Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I will tell you about how you can fix your speaker. If your speaker is not working and you can see it having the dual speaker right here on the bottom, on the top. So if one speaker is not working and one is working, these type of issues you are facing or any other problem regarding cam the speaker, you can fix it. In this video I will tell you full process. So friends, first you have to open YouTube and open any video and check if it is working or not. If your speaker is working, that's good. You have to restart your device. Sometimes because of the glitch bug in the phone, the speaker stopped due to some glitch. But if it is internal problem or there is a setting, so you have to just simply tap on the settings. You can check the port also. If there is inside the dust, you have to remove it from the stick, or you can go to your nearby shop who can fix this. So you can just fix this. You have to clean all these ports. You can see if some dirt in this, you have to clean. So then the second step is you have to go to the settings. Now you have to click on additional settings, go there, and you will see there are lots of settings are here. Just you have to scroll down and click on clear speaker. Now it will ask you to allow the earphones to find connect to determine the relative position of nearby devices. Friends, you have to just click on allow. You have to allow this, and I show you what is this process. So this process takes approximately 30 seconds. You have to click on next and it will create this sound. So don't panic here. You have to complete all of this. You can see you have to wait till it clear, just like this. You can see it is clearing the speaker. You have to wait until this process complete. So friends, it's done. Your dirt or your speaker will be now fine. Let's click on YouTube and play song and see if it is working. You have to click on it, and yes, it is working. You can see friends. So friends, you can see it is working. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.